Since 1985, Ford and Doonan have been the trusted name in air conditioning. They are WA's most awarded company for providing the best aircon solutions for your home and office. And today, we're going to take a look at one of their newest products, which is a first on the market in Western Australia. Introducing the Halo LED, the first in-duct, whole-home air purification system. Unlike most air purifiers that are self-contained and designed for a single room, the Halo LED is installed inside the ducted air conditioner and operates silently whenever the air conditioner is switched on. As the ducted system draws in the air through the return air grill, the air passes over the Halo LED, proactively treating every cubic inch of air-conditioned space, reducing germs such as bacteria, viruses, mould and pollen. Andrew, we're just about to head into winter. Is now a good time to be considering our indoor air quality?
Absolutely, Chris. It's that time where you get your flus and there's viruses and bacteria in the home. It's probably the worst time of the year for indoor air quality, so this will make a big difference, but don't forget about summer also, with the weeds and pollens and grasses that cause a lot of trouble.
Wow, so it's really an all year round solution.
Definitely all year round.
And what about people who don't have ducted air conditioning?
We've got a solution for them as well. If you're a wall-mounted split system, we've got a unit for that, and it's just a standalone portable unit for rooms as well.
Your very own Halo LED can be included in any new ducted air conditioning system from Ford and Doonan, or easily installed into an existing ducted system, leaving you with a healthier indoor space. So why not find out more? Visit one of Ford and Doonan's 11 showrooms in Perth or the Southwest, or head to their website at fordanddoonan.com.au.